Good morning, Chodesh Tov. It is Yom Sheni, Parashat Noach 5784, and we are reading from the Chok L'Yisrael, and the Pasuk states in Pasuk Teva, V'zeh asher ta'aseh ota, shelosh ma'ot amma orech hateva, 50 amma rochba, u'shloshim amma kumata. So the Pasuk is telling us the measurements of the Teva that Noach had to go in and build. So he goes into a Teva that is 300 amma in its length. It is 50 amma in its width, and it's 30 in its height. So you have 100, you have 50, and you have 30. So there is a concept, and we see this a lot in the Tefillah, where sometimes we see the name of God, but we say a different name. So if you look at the Sidurim, you'll notice that it says Baruch Atah, and then it'll say either Yud K Vav K. We don't actually say the letters. We change the letters to Yud K Vav K when we are saying and learning about it. But when you say Baruch Atah Hashem, you're looking at Yud K Vav K. That's what you see, but you actually say Aleph, Daled, Nun, and Yud. So what the Mikubalim teach is there's a combination when you're putting the letters together, Yud K Vav K and Aleph, Daled, Nun, and Yud, and it's called the Shiluv. Now, when you put these together, what it does is it takes the Aleph, Daled, Nun, and Yud that you're saying, which comes from the word Din, which is judgment, but you're looking at the name of God of Yud K Vav K, which is mercy, Rahamim. Because in life and in the world that God has created, a person sees a lot of things that look like a Din, judgment, but in essence, they are really, truly merciful. We don't understand, we don't see the full picture, we don't understand the depth of many things, but that's what we do believe. Now, when God was putting Noach in the Teva, he was about to destroy the whole world, so he had to put Noach into a vessel that had a protection from all the judgments that were coming down. So when God normally would want to protect someone, he can put one name of a Shem of God on him. But here, because of the destruction of the whole world, God actually took both of his names, and instead of just adding them together, which we sometimes do, and if you add the Yud K Vav K, which is numerically value in Gematria as 26, along with Aleph, Daled, Nun, and Yud, that's 65. If you put them both together, you'll get 91. 91 is the word of Amen, and it has other significance in the realm of the Kabbalah. But here, when it came to Noach, God didn't just want to add the 65 and the 26 together to get a vessel that would just be the addition. God actually had to multiply both names of judgment and the name of mercy. And he multiplied both of them to get the measurements of the Teva. I want to show you how Rabbi Mansour revealed this secret. Take a look at this. So if you look here, you'll notice that on the top it says Yud K Vav K. And then below it, I put Aleph, Daled, Nun, and Yud, but I put a little X to multiply. So let's take a look. If you take the Yud and the Aleph, and you multiply 10 times 1, you get 10. If you take the Hey and you multiply it by the Dalet, you get 20. So then you add the 10 and 20, you get 30. And that is the 30 is the Komata, is the height. Then we take the next letters, which is the Vav. You have right there the Vav and the Nun, which is 6 and 5. 60 and 6 and 50, you multiply them and you get 300, and that you'll get is the length. And then if you take the Hey and the Yud, that's 5 and 10, and you multiply, you get 50. So when you multiply the name of God, you will actually get the measurements to the Teva that God was giving Noach to build. And by doing that, Hashem put him into a vessel that had in it the highest level of mercy in order to protect Noach from the destruction that was going on outside. And this is Rabbi Mansour's secret in the two names of God. Baruch Adonai Le'olam, Amen v'Amen.